Away, gents. I hope you guys are good. Welcome back to my channel. So, gents, today I'm gonna be doing few pairs for you. Only gonna do two pairs, for midweek analysis, and then I'll be doing a lot of YouTube. I think I've been busy lately, so that's why I haven't been doing the videos. But then, yeah, I'll only do two pairs for you, which is AUD. It's gonna be AUD CAD, and then we're gonna do Nasdaq as well, gents. So I hope you guys will get a lot of value out of this. And yeah, let's get to the video. This one, yeah, let's get to the video. So as you guys can see now, right, we're looking at AUD CAD H1 time frame. Obviously, you know what to look for on a bigger time frame. You need to understand the overall movement of the trend. So obviously, as you guys can see on this one, on H1 time frame, we're having a downtrend, beautiful downtrend. It's been trending to the downside for a while now, been breaking lows, as you guys can see that. And then what you can see here is we broke structure here, right? After breaking structure, we have this nice order block up there, and then we have this imbalance that was building up here. So we expect price to pull back to this order block, and then that's where we're going to be looking for our selling opportunities, right? So with that, in correlation with this order block, we're having a pattern building up. This one is our first touch, second touch. We're anticipating the last touch here, where we're gonna be looking for our selling opportunities from, right? So this is most probably gonna be the best trade. So we just wanna wait to see if it's gonna push up to this area here. Then we're gonna be looking for those nice selling opportunities, gents. Looking really good. Obviously, as you guys can see, price is still down here. So obviously, we expect price to push up to this area there, right? So sorry about that. We're gonna expect price to pull back to this order block here, because price was pushing to the downside. If you focus in this piece of price action, price was pushing to the downside. Sorry, gents. Let me just quickly pause recording. So yeah, just as I was saying, obviously this was a downtrend. Obviously, we expect price to pull back to this area here. So if you focus in this piece, you will understand that price was pushing to the downside. This was the last high, so price took it out, as you guys can see. Let me just grab this quickly. This will be up after I'm done recording. It will be up immediately. So as you guys can see, we changed character here, right? And then we broke structure up there, right? After changing character, price came down. We had this other block, came down, used this area as liquidity down here, right? Use this area as liquidity. Price wiped out the liquidity, came for this other block, started pushing to the upside. Our initial entry should have been here. Our initial buy entry should have been around those areas there. And then we should be running in these profits now. But then as you guys can see, if we focus in this piece of price action here, you will understand that price was pushing to the downside, taking out lows, as you guys can see that. So this was the last low that was printed. Price took it out, and then started pushing to the upside. We broke structure up here, pushed to the upside. We identify our area of interest, which is this one there, and then we see this area here as a very nice area of liquidity. So we just want to see if price is going to pull down to this area here. I hope this trade will be I hope this video will be up before this trade take place. But then if it takes place before, obviously we're gonna be looking for those selling opportunities, just so that's AUD CHF. Quickly gonna go to gold. So looking at gold, just we're looking for buying opportunities. Let's quickly go to H1 time frame just to give you guys a little bit of background. So this one, just I hope it loads fast, because we don't have a lot of time. As you guys can see, price currently building up this nice continuation pattern. And then if you go to H4, I don't have a lot of time, just I'm really sorry. So as you guys can see, price is pushing back to this area here. we're gonna be looking for those nice buying opportunities on third touch. We have this nice order block from H4 time frame, as you guys can see, that we're gonna use for this entry. Obviously, our stop loss will be below the order block, and then we're gonna be looking for at least 90% of this pattern. At the beginning of this pattern, we know that 90% of the time price will go back to that. But then our overall target will be up to this level here, this level here. Our overall target will be up to this level up here, right? We're gonna be targeting this level. So yeah, that's our views on gold. So if I can give you guys a little bit of background from daily time frame, what's been happening while we're looking to buy gold, right? So as you guys can see, looking at this price action here, gold is being pushed into the upside. As you guys can see, we've been breaking highs, we've been breaking highs, we've been breaking highs. So for us, this is a nice uptrend. And then if we move down to H4 quickly, just to give you guys a little bit of background, let me zoom out. I'm gonna try my best just to give you guys videos every week. I'm gonna try my best, but then I don't promise you guys that, right? So now, as you guys can see, we had this nice area here, nice order block on H4. Price came to that area, gave us something like this. We had a nice pattern that we could have used, as you guys can see. First touch, second touch, third touch. Our entry should have been there. And then we also had this here. This was a very nice pattern going into this order block, right? That we should have used for our entries. But then if we miss this one, we had more entries. We had an entry here and then push to the upside. But then we also have an entry here. If we focus in this piece of price action here, we will understand that price was pushing to the downside, breaking lows, going into this order block, right? So this was the last high that was printed in this market. So as you guys can see, price wiped the high. So this is a very nice change of character that we're having. Then we have identified our order block, which is this one here. Then price pulled back to that order block, giving us a very nice pattern. We're anticipating the last touch, and then we're gonna be looking to buy. Gents. Our first target will be here, as I've showed you. But then our overall target, because remember we still have this pattern here, so our overall target will be up to this area here, right? So that will be our overall target. We're targeting over 21% in returns. So I hope you guys will be able to catch this one as well. So yeah, gents, this is a very short video, but then I really hope you guys took a lot of it out of this video. I didn't have enough time to record this video, but then I will try my best to do the market breakdown for the coming week. So I hope you guys will enjoy the setup that I did for you, and then see you guys in the next video. Always just